So good evening, everyone. My name is Erman Xiang, and it's such a great pleasure to be here with you tonight. And I'm so honored to have this opportunity to share a bit my journey with you. So I started my legal career in China, where I qualified as a commercial lawyer, specializing in financial M&A and financial regulation. So it was a fast-paced, high-pressure environment, but it helped me to shape the solid foundation of the legal thinking and the commercial awareness. And 2 years ago, I made a big move to come to UK and to pursue a legal career here. I enrolled into GDL and set SQ1, scoring 81%, which places me, thank you, which places me in top 5% of all thousands candidates. I mean, I was quite proud of that achievement, but really quickly, I realized that academic success alone was not good enough to help me to break into the UK legal market. So, I mean, the job hunting experience was really, really tough at that moment. As a non-native English speaker and had no UK legal working experience, I struggled. And so I went to a lot of networking sessions, and then joining charities which support young legal professionals, and spent tons of hours to tailor my applications and prepare for interviews. I tried everything, applied for everything within my reach, like training contract, document review, legal analyst, compliance roles. So there were definitely moments I feel stuck. I feel like I'm doing everything right, but still getting nowhere. But I kept it going because I believe there must be something out there. There was a door that would open for me. And it turned out Flex Legal is that door. So when I first applied with Flex Legal, I didn't know what to expect from them. But from very first beginning, they were 100% supportive. So there were definitely one moment I can recall is there was one period I didn't feel really well. And then they didn't just leave things to let me figure out by myself. So they worked closely with me to make sure I submit my written assessment by time. And thanks to that support, I made through to assessment center and eventually landed an amazing opportunity with Mastercard. So joining Mastercard is definitely a turning point for me, because from day one, I was surrounded by colleagues who are not just brilliant at what they do, but they are 100% kind, patient, supportive. So I can still remember the first day I had a conversation with my manager, Anisha. Shame she can't be here today because she's quite busy. So I asked her what her expectations of me. So she named 3 things, is know our products, manage a stakeholder, and keep my heads up no matter what mistakes I make. And that advice really stuck with me because it gave me confidence to learn, to ask questions, to grow. And it reminded me, making mistakes is just part of the journey. It's not something I need to be afraid of. So looking back, I feel like every challenge, every failure, every moment of doubt was preparing me for something better. And I learned resilience, adaptability, the importance of community, because I couldn't have done this alone by myself. So as I stand here, I just want to share with all the trainees here, your path may not be linear, but your curiosity, persistence, and the openness of growth will carry you far. And to the legal counsels and the supervisors standing here, I just want to say thank you for your mentorship and trust you extend to our emerging talent, because your guidance not just shape careers of ours, but also confidence. And to Flex Legal's partners and the clients, I just want to say Flex Legal is not just a platform, it's also a bridge. It's a bridge between ambition and opportunity. It's a bridge between diversity candidates and the organizations which is ready to embrace them. And I'm really grateful to be here with you, and I'm really grateful to be part of this community. Thank you for listening, and thank you for believing stories like mine. Thank you.